Recording in progress, sharing my screen. I'm going to, this is my personal account, all right? So, okay, Eunice, now two things actually. One is that ideally we need to start with 2 lakhs 2 lakhs is advisable, 7 to 8 lakhs is beautiful. That's the proper way to start the strategy. But yeah, you should not just rely on my words or the way I do. So that's the reason we are starting with a I would suggest to go start with 2 lakhs, okay? And still we go for 1%. But yeah, we can also start with 1 lakh. But only thing is you sometimes you don't see this thing a big profits. It will be in hundreds, thousand. It doesn't cost thousand, okay? If you look at ROI terms, yeah, we are good. So what I did was I had a fund of 1 lakh this morning. Okay. So what I did is I bought some Nifty Bs because the market fell even today, right? So to now what I need to do is I need to buy Nifty Bs for the remaining amount, that is for 1 lakh, and pledge it. From that pledge, I will be selling a out of the money call. Till here we are clear, right?
The pledge is usually 85-88% you had told, right?
Correct. The haircut is about 15%, 85% is what they're going to give. At the moment, I haven't pledged, but in my other account, I have pledged, but that I have my own portfolio of stocks where I have pledged that. So I do a covered call there because we are starting with the Nifty Bs, which is a safe investment of Nifty 50. I thought I will show you with another account. Where I have only Nifty Bs. I don't have any positions, just a Nifty Bs. So what I will do is, at the moment, this is the chart, right? So I'll go to 1-day chart.
Trading view is you can have a free account, you said.
It's a free account. Don't uh, go for any paid subscription.
Sorry.
So these are my indicators. What we do is I'll turn off everything. See, in the time frame, first let me go to Nifty. Okay, is the Nifty 50 chart. Let's go to month on month. Okay,
This is
now
month on month.
correct. So at the moment, Nifty has corrected
Fall down agidella.
about 7.2%.
Okay.
Okay. So we ideally start first leg of investment when Nifty corrects first 5%. So we are in good shape.
Yeah, it said 5% yesterday. I mean, sorry, when I saw the video.
Correct. So okay, now what?
But in this case, if it's like if you see it's going to even go down, is it worth to wait or just start at 5?
No. First investment, the day you realize you want to go for investment, the first day of that is the best investment. Okay.
ಇದು combined Nifty B's lot ಇಲ್ಲ.
Correct. So this buying Nifty is as a whole index you can't buy. So we have a ETF called Nifty Bs. You can buy Nifty Bs. Is as good as buying a unit of all 50 stocks. That's what you can see here. Where is it? Hello,
Close the session. Alternate page. Alt tab.
Alt tab, yeah, okay. Relay. So that's what buying. I bought a Nifty Bs. Okay, I bought only for 20. So don't go with the number. I'll buy for 1 lakh later. But now at the moment, assume that I have pledged 1 lakh Nifty Bs, 1 lakh worth Nifty Bs. Okay, at the moment, consider that I'm going in the next session. I'll show you how to pledge if you haven't done this before. Pledge is very simple. Have you done pledging? No, right? Yes.
No.
Okay. See, you have to. This is your. This is your. What is it? Zerodha. Go to here. Go to your profile where you have console. Click on console. Uh, what went wrong? Yeah, it came in. Okay. Okay. Because I bought in today, I am not seeing anything here. Holdings. No. See, I have funds. The funds are not getting displayed today. Anyways, if you go to portfolio in that console, if you go to holdings under portfolio, you will have you will have you will have your stocks here. Okay.
Okay.
What is your stock? Your stock would be Nifty Biz at the moment. Okay. Now you click on this option and you say pledge for margin.
Okay.
Okay.
He pledge for
Platform
margin ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, he will tell you what is the haircut. Haircut is 15.6%.
You can pledge less than 85 also, you see. Okay.
Yes, anything less than 85, how much ever you want, but maximum he's going to give is 84.44. Huh?
Sorry.
Okay, so I say I agree and I say I'll pledge only 8 shares. Something, okay, part of it. That's all. You click on submit. This will go for CDSL authorization. You need to log. You will get an email with the link to open. You need to log into CDSL and you have to authorize this pledge.
So this is immediate latency response.
Before 2 o'clock on that particular day, before 2 p.m. if you do it, you will get the link for the same day. If you submit later after 2 p.m., it's going to be on the following day.
Okay.
CDSL is straightforward, or do we have to have some ಎಲ್ಲ documents ಎಲ್ಲ submit ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, straight ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You will have a pin. You will have a pin coming in.
Sorry.
So you need to log in using your PAN card ID or your Demat account number. Once you log in, it will ask you for a CDSL pin. The CDSL pin, even if you say forgot password, you will get it on your phone. Enter that pin. Even while opening a Demat account, you would have got a pin, right? TSN. T-pin.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That's why I don't know. Sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway, continue.
While opening your Demat account, you will get a pin, CDSL pin.
Sorry.
Use that pin and you authorize it. And once you authorize, you will get it here. When you come to funds, you will say available margin. You will get that margin over here. Whatever you have pledged, and if at all you have excess amount, your balance will be calculated. It says so much cash, so much balance. Okay. Yeah. Now, till here we are clear, right? Up to pledging. Next time I'll show. If you want, I will. We can do pledging next time when we meet up online. Once you guys have your accounts ready, we'll do that. We'll connect that time again.
Done.
Okay. Till then, I will also not pledge. I'll keep the funds like that.
Sure.
Okay.
Done.
That is part one. Part two is what is the strike rate or what is the range we need to sell? We are doing out of a money call, OTM call. So
Yeah.
we will run this strategy every month, first week of every month, maybe around 4th or 5th, first weekend. Ataraman. It could be okay. Like this, 4th or 5th. You can do it yourself, or whoever does it will leave a strike price details in the chat. You can execute the same instrument.
Correct.
Same derivative. Now, what is the strike price? Which is the out of the money call we need to select is the next question. Okay. So now what we will do is, as we spoke last time, generally Nifty corrects Nifty's movement will be between 5 to 7%. Most of the times, 9 to 10 times out of 12 months. Okay. You can check that anytime. Okay. Now, if Nifty corrects more than 8%, don't worry, your asset of 1 lakh would have already increased 8% more. 1 lakh irodu 1,08,000 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Your call would have been in the loss. ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ you sum it up, you will have the difference. Maybe you will have 3,000 or 4,000, that time you will get about 2-3,000 profit. If Nifty goes up, that is good for you because your investment is growing. Okay. Now, only once, and if Nifty falls down, say like this Corona, look at this candle, and you can see the percentage over here. Can you see here? It's on my on this thing.
Correct.
Okay, this
2020
percent.
March.
I'm placing the cursor on the March candle 2020.
If you
Okay.
count before that, last 2 months also it will be much bigger. ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಇದು red candle.
ಹೌದು 23%.
Correct. 20 at that time would be our ideal time to induce more same capital size. If you have done 1 lakh, induce 1 lakh. Generally, I follow double. If I add 1 lakh already there, I will double my capital. I'll add 2 lakhs more.
Sorry.
Because this comes once in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. You don't see these kind of candles every time. The last time it came was in November 2008, 26%.
This demonetization November 2015. Just keep the
2015 November. Okay.
demonetization. November 2015 or 16.
Okay, sorry. I'll take you there. 2015, probably February 2016.
Maybe
Or-
something like that. Now it was November. Demonetization struck us.
If you say July was 7%. If you say Jan, it's 5%.
Anyway, it did not. And that day did not. I think so. Yeah.
There was no big movement that day, except Feb 16th.
How about
That is
February?
probably on the
Every
budget
year
day.
budget.
2016
correct.
budget.
Correct.
Market fell 7%. If you see the next month itself, it went 10%.
Correct.
So see, as we all know, Indian economy is always rising. Everybody in the world would like to be a part of Indian economy and up until 2035. So even if your investment of 1 lakh is going under loss, don't worry about it. I mean, that's the best time to add the capital. But if you ask me, I will start adding capital after every 5% fall. Okay, now it is 17,500. After 5% of it, I'll start adding another capital, another investment.
Okay.
Because you never know what is the bottom.
Point to be noted.
Okay, if what we have thought is ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ 26% ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, I will add 1 lakh. ನೋಡೋಣ next month 2-3 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ he would have not got opportunity at all. Right? So every 5% fall, I had prepared one Excel sheet where I've decided what all levels I need to add. That is just a flat 5%. You bought 1 lakh rupees Nifty base. If it is in minus 5% in your portfolio, that's your next ad. Time for your next ad. That's simple. So now coming back to the question, what is the strike price we need to select? So we are actually thinking of 7% strike price.
You said 8%, right, for safety, but 7 is okay, I guess.
6 to 7, because already the market is in downtrend. There's okay, let's not go to that percentage that wise. I will take you here.
But last time you had said 8%. This time you're saying 7% because market is down.
See, 8% is viable. So let's do one thing. Let's not go by percentage now. Once you have your demat account, you will have this option chain. This is an option chain, okay?
Okay.
Means ಯಾವ strike price ಅಲ್ಲಿ where are buyers and sellers sitting in future. This gives you the number. If you see here. So what I will do, I'll change the expiry to Feb 23rd is the last expiry, okay, of this month. Okay, this is a real-time data where you can see where are the participants, market participants. So now what are we looking at? We are looking for a 1 to 1.5% per month return. Okay, so 1% of 1 lakh, your invested amount is 1,000.
1,000.
So I need something between 1,000 to 1,500, which falls under 1 to 1.5% of my capital. Now I'm doing a little calculation. Is my calculator visible?
No. ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay. ನಾನು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಇವಾಗ
I can see. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so now see, Nifty lot size is 50. Nifty is always bundled in 50 units. Maybe because it has 50 companies, I don't know, but Nifty lot size is, it has 50 units bundled. Okay, I'll show you Nifty future.
One fundamental question, Naveen, in the meantime, why is only you prefer Nifty versus BSE?
Nifty NSE.
Why not BSE?
NSE is where both are okay. NSE is where you have more liquid. You will get good strike prices.
These kind of doubts I have. So sorry, continue.
So NSE is what we all prefer more than BSE because foreign players, DLLs, FLL, all they get into Nifty 50 NSE. Okay. Nifty lot size is 50. That is one basic thing. Okay. If you want, this is one lot of 50s, or Nifty is 50. If I want two lots, it increases in the multiples of 50.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2 lots 3 lots is ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ just below that.
Correct. 5 lots 250. So one lot 50. Okay na. So now one lot 50 adre, if I need, say suppose I need 1,000 rupees. So I know what is the return I need? 1%. That is 1,000
1.5.
for 1 lakh.
Yeah.
So I'll divide by 50. That is the lot size of Nifty. So I need Nifty strike price which has 20 premium. I need a call. I'll go back to this. I'll go back to this option chart. I'm setting up the last. This is the last expiry of my current month. So now I'm seeing where is my strike price. Look at this. ILTP is last traded price, and I'm closely to here 22.55. Okay. Any clear aita? Confusion idea?
What you're doing is, I am understanding, but why? How does this process flow? Anyway, you continue. First, you continue. Let us understand.
In the 22, you have multiple options, Alva. 22.85, 22.9.
Correct. See, if you want a safe, we are going for safe 1% return. If you want 2%, you can go up above. But as you go closer to the current market price, see, these are all out of. See, this is where Nifty is trading now. Okay, Nifty illide. So the more closer you go, the high probable that Nifty will come to you, and you have high premiums, you will incur more loss. Look at the premiums: 100, 152. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is high risk. This you can do only if you are really good at technicals. You will say next week, either last week or Nifty will go up. From next week, Nifty will fall. If you have so much of conviction, yeah, you can do that. You can't, but there is no guesswork here. It's all
currently 23.45. This is real-time data, correct? Changing.
Correct. It's changing,
It's changing. It's changing.
Okay.
Changed.
Correct, Alva.
So now I understood the calculation, but I don't understand the link between this price and the division. In connection,
see, simple. If you what is the return of ROI you are expecting?
1%, you said.
1%. So what is the capital you have?
1 lakh.
So 1% of 1 lakh is 1,000 rupees. Alva.
Sorry. And
each
lot is 50.
For 1 lakh, we are executing only one lot.
Correct.
So we are dividing this 1,000. That is what the return we need. Dividing by one lot of Nifty. That is 50 units. Okay. 20 bantu. So we need a premium. we need a LTP of minimum 20.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's it?
LTP ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
Okay,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
20 per lot.
correct correct 20 premium ಇದ್ರೆ you are safe. So what happens is this 23, see now ಆಗಲೇ 22 ಇತ್ತು, 23 change ಆಯ್ತು. So this 23 will slowly erode and by the time we come to the last week or the last day of the expiry, this turns 0. So what happens is now we need 20, so choose a premium between 20 to 25, 28. You might not get the exact number, keep it between 20 to 28. So you will get that 1.2%, 1.4%, 1.5%. 30 bandre 1.5%. Okay. If you go for a premium of 30 points, LTP of 30 points, say suppose see it's 18,400 now call now write madidre. If we write a 18,400 call, that is 32.4 and 32.4 into 50. Because each point will give you 50 rupees. That is 50 andre. 32.4 into 50, you will get 1,620 per lot for every lakh you invested. If you invested 5, multiply this by 5. Okay. This way, up to 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, this is a safe strategy to do.
Sorry. So as you said, if you take a higher number, it's a higher risk. So punter jana adu ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆತರ. But now we're going for low margin, low risk. But my question here is, why will so if we go for even lower value, will it be even lower risk? Because there is a more chance of it meeting the deadline or not. There's no guarantee.
The mathematical percentage is, this is the ideal percentage. If you go lower, yeah, but doesn't worth the investment.
Just academic question.
Correct.
The lower you
doesn't
go,
worth the investment. If you get 0.5% yearly, it is what 6%. You can get it from the bank or any other.
My question is not that. My question is, let's say you go for a lower percentage. Is there a higher chance of you meeting that margin?
These are higher chances, upper ones.
Hey, but it is high risk. You said high risk is difficult to.
See, if you are writing, say suppose nange, I am sure that 18,000 23rd February Nifty will not close above 18,000.
Sorry.
Then I'll write this call 117 points, 118 points. I'll get 6,400.
Okay.
That is per lot, which is 6% per annum per week
per month.
But the gap is only 300 points. Anytime tomorrow it just fluctuates. Mele hod takshana, this 117 will become 180, 200.
I just want to be cutting you short. So the farther you are, the premium is going down.
Exactly. That's far out of the money. We are selling far out of the money, which is about 3 to 4% at the moment. Sorry, not 3 to 4, maybe 5%. I'll check what is 8,000.
I'm making a safer bet.
Correct. 18. We are going 18,500, which is about 5.6%. Look at here.
Naveen sir, stock exchange expert.
Illa. I am just learning. I am showing. Even I am doing together. Okay.
I think you have to be less defensive. Just be neutral. Let them say whatever. For all of you.
Okay.
So genuine compliment.
For all of you.
I'm illiterate in this. I'm illiterate.
For all of you.
Sorry.
Okay. Now I want a premium of 27 rupees, because anywhere between 20 to 30 is what I like. I will now, because the vibes are negative, market is negative. I would take a other end. So I will go close to 27 points. Okay. I'll write 18,450 call. Okay. I can even write 18,500. See, it's my risk-taking capacity. Okay.
So you are saying it will not go 18,500 before end of the month. I mean, end of last Thursday.
Yeah, 18,000. At the moment, I am saying 18,450 is less likely. If it goes, if it goes, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see, there are three probabilities. It may go, it may not go. Or two probabilities, right? Yeah, it may go.
It may be exactly 18,450 also.
If it is 18,450, yeah, we still get premium, most of the premium. if it is 18,450, I get 5,000 on my invested value, 1 lakh.
Sorry.
Illi ನನಗೆ 2% or 3% cut minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I'm still ending up with 1.5% up. Okay. So it's purely max. There is no this thing. It's only probability.
Correct. Done.
Okay. Now the premium gone down one point, but still I'll write 18,450 call. I will write in front of you.
Naveen.
Hmm.
Naveen.
Here,
Matti is joining. He's saying, sorry to interrupt. He's in waiting room. Just check your.
Admit ಮಾಡ್ದೆ.
Join Matti. Okay, fine, good.
I'll be back in 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi Matti, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
He's still connecting.
Connecting. Okay.
Maybe internet.
Yes. Giri, clear ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Don't go with percentage from now. Go with the premium. 20 rupees. ಆ premium ನ ನಾವು 20 rupees ಅಂತೀವಿ. 20 points ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. 20 rupees ಇಂದ 30 rupees ಇರೋ premium ನ in between you choose anything. See, I can ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ನೀನು 1000 ಯೂನಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ 1000/50 ನೀನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ. Why you arrived at 20, please.
Sure.
Matti help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Matti, am I audible?
Yeah.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. No. I am at home today to take this call.
All right. I hope it benefits you. Okay.
Just show us your face once, Matti. Then you can switch off the screen. We would like to see you. Even if you're not wearing clothes, also it's okay.
Hey, is it 40 minutes call? It's already 2:30. 10 minutes.
Yeah, I have 7 minutes left.
Okay.
Hi, Matti.
I hope. Yeah, hi.
All right.
Now you can switch off. No compulsion.
Okay.
So, Giri, coming to clarifying your point.
Same question.
Okay. What is the ROI we are expecting?
1,000 rupees for 1 lakh.
1,000 rupees.
1,250,000 between 1,300 1,600.
Hey, Eunice, it's the same
keep it in
question. I
between.
want him to revise. Same question.
I'll keep it in between 1,250. Okay.
Hmm.
Or you want to make it 1,000? You tell me the number.
Makes calculation simple.
Then we'll keep it 1,000. This one we are expecting 1% per month on your invested money. Your investment is not bringing 1%. Your invested money is bringing 1%. So let me
pledged whatever you have pledged.
Yes. Okay. You are making money from your nifty growth. That's a different thing. So we are checking 1%. So now we are dividing. We are selling only 1 lot. 1 lakh, 1 lot. Okay. 1 lakh, 1 lot. 1 lot al ಎಷ್ಟು unit ಇದೆ nifty? 1 lot of nifty is 50 units.
50.
ನಾನು ನಿಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
See here. Look at my screen here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು 1 lot 50 units.
You are putting 1,000.
Okay. 2 lots 100 units. 4 lots 200. Multiples of 50.
20 lots. Our thing is 20 lots.
20 points. 20 points, not lots.
Sorry.
Okay, I'll cancel this. Okay, Giri. So now I will divide that by 50 because we are executing only 1 lot. If we had two lots, if we had 2 lakhs, I would have made this 1% as 2,000 and divided by 100. Correct? Because 2 lots of nifty.
So because you have two lots, your investment is 2 lakhs and you're dividing to 2,000 by 100.
Correct. So it's basically expected ROI divided by number of lots. Units of number of lots. The expected ROI is 1%. That is 1,000 in our case.
So this is where I had a small doubt. Now, for 2 lakhs, this 2,000 by 100 will fetch you still. It is still in the same range, alwa.
Okay, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. do 2000 is your 1% of 2 lakh, correct? Divided by how many lots we are executing into 2 lakhs?
100
2
lots.
lots.
2 lots, which is 100
100.
units.
100.
So
Howdu.
divide this by 100. Still you need to
Somewhere
sell
around
20.
Same.
Whatever the quantity it is, you will still end up selling 20 to 30 point out of the call option.
Okay, got it.
Okay, but make sure, see, one lot sell madake practical agi 60 to 70,000 bekaste. See, I'll show you what is the money you need to sell this. You need 64,000 aste, but we are going with 1 lakh. So assume we had 2 lakhs, we can still sell three lots, but that's not advisable. We are going against our risk.
Got it.
Okay, we need a certain buffer also to package it.
Got it.
Okay, now.
Yeah, go ahead. I am clear now.
Okay, now Gomati is here. Assuming that I have invested 1 lakh in Nifty Bees and pledged it for 85,000. Okay. Now I'm going to execute this call. So now when you are executing this call, Andre, how are you selecting it? I'm idin nan heltini option chain hengo beku anta when we are doing it again. Okay, it depends on your broker. Every broker has a different interface. I'm doing with angel broking. Angel broking option chain nodi zero dal execute marta ini. So I am checking where is my numbers 20 and 30. So I have 3 strikes. 18,500, 18,450, 18,400. If anybody wants to be really safe, go with 23. Okay, medium, regular 27. Okay, let me try 31, 1.5%. I'm okay to take a little bit of additional risk. Execute 18,400, which is 31 premium, which is having 31 points.
So quick continuation of it is not a new thing, reinventing the same question. In this case, if you go for 31.45%, which we all right now assume it is slightly towards the risk end, what if it reaches that Nifty reaches that number? I'm going to lose all my premium, but what will be my investment value?
Right.
Just for right now.
Okay, at the money you are going to execute today. I'm taking the bar to 18,400. Okay, which is 31 rupees itala. So you will get 4,400 rupees because the increase of the Nifty has to increase 4.5%. Correct? My bar is saying 4.5%. Now 4.5% is 4,500. And you need to know how much. So this option selling is like a reverse engineering. It reduces from 30, 29, 28. It comes to 0. That's called as a delta strategy, where time theta eats up the time. Okay. Now, if Nifty is coming towards your strike price aggressively, this 30 becomes 40, 50. It keeps jumping 35, 40, 45, 50, where you will see a negative proportion on your portfolio. But your investment is rising, your negative is also rising. Aita. So we will go with you might be a little variation between your 20 and 30. I can't tell you the exact numbers, depends on the gamma tumba effects but you might be a win-win, so 0 loss. Your profit here might subsidized with the loss of your premium. Okay.
I understood what you're saying. Yeah, it's a ocean.
Right. So what I will do one thing. Let me execute the same thing and see what happens next month. I'm executing 31 rupees irode. Okay, na 1.5%. I'm going a little aggressive. Assume that one of us is aggressive, one of us is very.
No, Naveen, you don't have to do this for right now. You can still hold.
No, it's. Let's see what happens. If you ask me in technical point of view, market will not go beyond 1800. I'll put a line. I'll talk to you.